Going on, family? It's your boy Jaden, and I'm back again with the continuation of our little series. First of all, I want to apologize, for the corny title that I have on these videos. Is to get you guys is to get you guys to view the video and hear what I have to say. So I do apologize for that in advance. But anyways, before we start the chapter 2 of Escape to Freedom, I hope you guys have a better understanding of the chapter 1 that I released the previous video. I'll also link it in the description for part 1 for those that just jumped straight into part 2. And I hope you guys took that one seriously, like you guys went and practiced the things that I actually said in that video. Because like basically that is the strategy that I currently use, and with practice, you end up getting used to it. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the chapter 2. Actually, before we start, please give this video a thumbs up. Last video I said 10 likes, but I didn't get 10 likes. I actually got 7. Come on, you guys, like what's happening? This video, 10 likes at least, and the previous video. Go like the previous video if you did. This one, 10 likes again. So yeah, subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. The more likes I get, the more this video gets recommended to other people that have similar interest as to learning the same thing that I'm showing you guys. So yeah, without wasting much of your guys' time, let's just jump straight into it. So the first thing that I want to teach you guys is what is the 3-touch pump. I'm going to do another top-down analysis on this this is another pair. I think this is NZD CHF, so I'm going to do this one, another top-down analysis, so you guys could actually see. And for those that already practice it, you should know the points of those in the top-down analysis, if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, first of all, what is the 3-touch pump? So I'm going to draw you guys like a small little graph here. So if you guys will see correctly, we see these areas, right? This area is like maybe a daily or weekly or maybe 1 hour time frame. It doesn't matter which time frame it is. This is just like a small little graph that I'm showing you guys. So let's say the price, right? Remember, this is just an example. Price was just moving like this. It touched this area, right? It came back, maybe it came back halfway. Then it went again, touched this area. Then it came back on this in this previous 1 hour time frame area, right? You get it. Then it goes halfway. You get it. When it goes halfway, then it's going to break like this. So how do we anticipate this break, right? This break somewhere right around there. How do you end up taking a trade somewhere right around there with your stop loss? Maybe somewhere this area on the previous high, or maybe just underneath the daily or 1 hour or 4 hour time frame that you are with your take profit at this level. So I'm going to show you guys how can we anticipate this movement, this trade, right? So what I want to show you guys is that before price actually moves, let's say it's somewhere right around there, this is what you guys will call the 3-touch pump. So remember, price came in this area, right? This is number 1, and this is number what? This is number 2, right? And this is number 3, somewhere right around there, if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So what you want to do is that you like, again, as I showed you in the previous video, you want to name this as a template, and then you want to save it up. So yeah, you want to name this one a 3-touch pump so you won't get confused. So at the moment, what are we seeing? We're saying 1, 2, then at the top there, what are we seeing? We're seeing a 3-touch pump, right? If you guys with me, you want to write this also in your notebook so you you won't get confused. Like, I think we're doing this step by step, and you can actually rewatch the videos, if you do get confused. And I'm going to show you guys some live examples with this 3-touch pump and 2-touch pump. And why do we use the 2-touch pump and 3-touch pump is that, like, most of the time we want to use it as a confirmation of the trade that you're going to take. In other words, so let's say, for example, you had a trade of NZD CHF, and you're looking for some confirmation for you to be able to be to be confident, to have that confidence in taking that same trade that you want to take, right? So yeah, you have 1, 2, then this is 3. If you guys with me, this is number, let me show you. This is number 1, right? then this is number 2, then this is number 3, this is number 3. So I hope you guys wrote this in your notes. I hope you guys wrote this in your notes in order for you to be able to understand it. And look, like sometime when you're about to take some trades, right? You wanna go over your little book and look for these little notes that I'm showing you guys here. So now that we have the 3 touch pump, right, at the top you're always going to see a 2 touch pump. You get it? You're always going to see a 2 touch pump, and I'm going to show you guys also the Fibonacci, so don't worry about it. So you're going to see a possible what? A possible 2 touch pump somewhere right around there. You get it? So now if you take your Fibonacci, if you tie somewhere there and there, you're going to get a golden entry, right? You're going to get a golden entry somewhere right around there. So that golden entry being somewhere, being somewhere right around there with the template, then you want to name it a point of interest with the green color. So now this is the area that you go, like most of the time, that you want to take a trade on with your stop loss just on that blue level. Don't worry about it. Again, I'm going to show you guys like the coordinates of the Fibonacci, so don't worry about it. So now you want to put your stop loss just underneath there on the blue level, and you take profit being down here, the next 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame area, whichever the time frame area that you are on. This is an example. Remember, I'm just showing you. Or if you miss the if you miss the Fibonacci entry, remember you have this 3 touch pump at the bottom there. So with the 3 touch pump, what are you seeing? You know that price is going to break, and at the top, if you're taking a short, right, like a sell, at the top there, you like most likely going to see a 2 touch pump. So in other words, you're going to name this template what? You're going to name this template. Where is it? Come on, where is it? Template. No. What's going on? Give me a second. What's going on? Oh yeah, you're going to name this template the 2 touch pump. You get it? So now you have a 2 touch pump that right at the top there, right? At the bottom you have a 3 touch pump. So in order for you to take the trade with confidence, at the top there you want to see a 2 touch pump, and at the bottom you want to see a what? You want to see a 3 touch pump. Same thing with downtrend momentum. Same thing, price comes like that, then does this, then comes like this. Is it somewhere like this, then does that, right, then does this, comes somewhere right around there, then you're going to see that push somewhere right around there. See, so at the bottom, what are you seeing? You're seeing that so now this position now becomes a sell. Then you're going to time for that you're going to time for that big push from the down on momentum. So in other words, you're going to take a trade somewhere right around there, or somewhere right around there on the 3 touch pump, with your stop loss probably somewhere right there, or maybe somewhere at the top there, and the take profit level being somewhere down there. You guys get it, right? So same thing with this area here. What are you going to see? You're going to see that 3 touch pump. Sorry. So that 3 touch pump, where is it? Where is my trend line? So yeah, this is my trend line. Done, then done. You see, it's not always perfect. Remember, I told you about it before that, like, and the markets are always going to be choppy. So you're going to be like the first thing that I want you to write, I always say about this, you don't want to rush into any trades. You want to make sure that the trade is going to pay off for you. Like you want to take that trade with confidence. Don't rush into trades. If you don't see any potential entries that you want, right, it's better not to enter and keep your money than to just jump into 50-50 trades, or maybe 50-50 trades. You're just tossing a coin. You don't even know what's going to happen, so like you want to be confident with the trades that you take, in other words. So now this is a 3 touch pump, right? And at the bottom there, again, what did I say? You're going to see that 2 touch pump, and if you are lucky, you might see the Fibonacci. So now see somewhere right around there with the entry somewhere there, stop loss at the bottom, and take profit level on the next after it breaks that after it breaks that 3 touch pump. Because after it touches there, this is going to create a new what? A new 2 touch pump. Or if price moves somewhere at the top there, it's going to create a new 2 touch pump. So most likely it's going to create like a 2 touch pump, like something like this. Let me show you something like this. So most likely as a trader, you want to be looking for those sells. So in other words, you'll be looking for maybe a sell that will lead you to somewhere here with the stop loss just underneath that area, and to take profit level being somewhere here. You know, you want to look for those very short trades. But yeah, another example again. So now if you guys could see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Same thing, vice versa with the downtrend. This is an upward trend, right? With the downtrend, if price passes this area or maybe touches this area, if you take your trend again, what are you seeing? If you touch there and there, you're now seeing a new what? This is a new 2 touch pump. If you can see clearly, you see. Then what are you looking for? You're looking for price to be stabilized. After it stabilizes, then you what? In other words, I'm talking about this. Yeah, I'm talking about this. Price stabilizes like that. After it stabilizes, then it's going to move upwards like that. You get it? So price is going to end up moving upwards to the top there after it stabilizes. So you want to wait for that stabilization even at the top there. It's not going to just like bounce back like that. No, it's going to probably consolidate, maybe chop off a little bit, but you're going to see a possible sell structure in there. Remember, this is just like a rough draft for you to be able to understand what is the 3 touch pump. So now that you guys get it, let me show you. These are the Fibonacci coordinates. Make sure you copy these. These are the Fibonacci coordinates. So 0.618, you want to name this. So yeah, screenshot this or maybe pause the video and you can copy this. Yeah, I'm going to carry on. So now, since you guys have an understanding, right, of what is the 3 touch pump, right? Now we're going to move on to some live examples, right? So now before I move on to some live examples, I want to show you guys, maybe like we're going to do a top-down analysis on NZD JPY. Then I'm going to show you guys those 3 touch pump levels. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. First of all, let me clear this up. Yes fam, I'm back. So now we wanna let's analyze this NZD JPY, NZD CHF pair, right, on the weekly time frame. I want to show you guys some live examples of the top-down analysis. Remember, we've done this before, so it should be easier for some of you. So in the weekly time frame, as I said, you don't want to force anything that you're not seeing. So at the moment, I'm currently seeing this area somewhere right around there, right? So this area somewhere right around here is called also the what? The weekly time frame. Then you want to expand it. Supposedly, remember, it's going to work so many times. It's going to be respected so many times that it's going to be respected most of the times as times goes by. So again, we have this area somewhere right around there. I hope you guys saw it. This is another weekly time frame area. What are we seeing at the top there? We're seeing another one somewhere right around here. And remember, you don't want to draw it everywhere. You want to draw it where price is currently fluctuating. So at the moment, price is currently fluctuating in this area. So if it's go bullish, this is for me, this is the highest level that I can actually encounter at the moment. And if it's to go bearish, I'm currently seeing this area. So this area is going to become my another weekly time frame area. Let me draw it out. So let me move this. Okay, done now. So now we have a weekly area, another weekly area somewhere right around there. Let me make it smaller. So yeah, another weekly, because you can see the week somewhere right around there, and the week here, and another week somewhere right around there. So you see, price is reflected those weeks. So you want to make it as small as possible, because you don't want it to be something big like this. Because if it's big like this, if you go in the 1 hour time frame, right, and if you have to take a trade on the 1 hour time frame, as I always say, that your stop loss should be underneath that that bigger time frame area. So let's say, for example, you took a trade somewhere right around here, and your take profit target is somewhere right around there. But if your stop loss is just underneath somewhere right around there, you see, you're not gaining anything. It's actually a 1:1 trade. Sometimes it will be a 0.1:0.5 trade, you know. So you're going to lose more. Like, you want to make this very, very tight, very smaller on the areas that are mostly likely respected. So yeah, let's move this back. Yeah, with the weeks right there. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the, sorry about this, we're going to go to the 1 day, to the daily time frame area, right? So now we have our areas for the weekly, and see, for me it's looking okay, looking sleek. So what you want to do now is that you want to take your, again, your text, and you want to put that template for the daily time frame like that. Then you copy paste. So we have 4 areas at the moment. So now you want to put this area, and you want to put that area also. No, sorry, it's not the daily time frame area. It's not the daily time frame area. Let me change this. It's the weekly time frame area. My bad. So yeah, we have the weekly time frame area, and let me just make it a border, something like this. Okay, this is a weekly time frame area. Copy paste. Okay, weekly time frame area, then another weekly time frame area somewhere around there, and this is another weekly time frame area. So now that we have our weekly time frame area, it's now time to spot for the daily time frame areas. And at the moment, for me, I'm currently seeing this, because you guys can actually see that this area has been respected many times. I mean 3 times with the weeks also. So you wanna expand this somewhere right around there, where the weeks actually respected the area. So now this becomes my new daily time frame area. So what you're going to do is that you're going to change this to daily time frame area. Then again, you want to put this daily time frame area somewhere right around there. So now that you have a daily time frame area, let's see another area that has been respected. I'm currently seeing this area where we have our little pullback somewhere right around there. So I can actually name this area a daily time frame area, because you never know what happens before it goes to the weekly time frame area. So you want to name this area a daily time frame area somewhere right around there. So you just copy this and paste. Sorry you guys, I'm actually carrying this figure at the moment, but I'm okay. We move. So yeah, now we don't, like, remember, as I said, you don't want to force anything. So now we're going to jump straight into the 4-hour time frame. So now we're in the 4-hour time frame, and we want to move this clean, to make them super clean, and put them in the areas. So yeah, okay, done. So now we want to identify the 4-hour time frame areas. So let's move our markets. Let's move our charts and make them a little bigger. Then we're gonna put this area somewhere right around there. For me, I can actually tell that this is a 4-hour area. Why? Because most of the time price actually reacted to this area. So I'm going to do this, then move that there. So what I'm gonna do here is change this template to 4-hour time frame area, right? Let's see if we have another area somewhere right around there. This is another area here, a 4-hour time frame area. So now this is the new 4-hour time frame area. And now what you guys could see somewhere right around there is that we had a downtrend here on the 4-hour, right? So now what are we most likely looking for? We are most likely looking for buys that could lead us to the top there. Why? Because remember, we're in a downtrend. After downtrend, price broke that structure. After it broke the structure, it gave us what? A pullback. So we should be looking for more buys. Now if I go to the daily time frame, let me check in the daily time frame. Where are we? You see, we're currently in a what? Let me move this there. We're currently in a bullish trend, something like this, right? We're currently in a bullish trend, like market is about to form a bullish trend. So as I told you again about the bullish trend, is that this is number 1 and this is number 2. Then this is number 2, so we're about to see the number 3 somewhere right around there in the daily time frame. So we most likely we're going to get a bullish momentum from this NZD CHF. So now we go to let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Remember about what I told you guys about training channels. Remember about that. So yeah, we're in a bullish frame, right? So most likely we're going to see some more bullish momentum before the end of this week. So now what you want to do is that you want to put the text again. So like you keep your charts very simple and sleek. Again, copy, paste, and you want to put that one there. So now after we've done this, is there another area that we're currently seeing? No, for me, I don't want to force anything, so I think I'm okay. I'm like the things that I just saw there, I'm okay. So now what you want to do now is that you want to move to, no, this area could be a 4 hour area. Remember, price respected this area. So I'm gonna put this a 4 hour area. You see, price came to this area and it respected again, came back here, came to this area again, respected it again. So now it's now like a 4 hour time frame area. Came to this area again, respected it again. So yeah. Let's copy this and paste. Copy, paste. Now what you want to do is that you want to go to the 1 hour time frame. So now we have our charts ready, right? Our chart, we've done a top-down analysis of NZD CHF, and now what we want to look for is that we want to look for trading opportunities. So now I'm going to show you again what is the 3-touch pump, and now this is like a real life examples of the 3-touch pump. Remember, we use them for what? For confirmation. So now shall we start? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna start somewhere right around there. Where can I start? I don't even know where to start, you know, but like we can start somewhere right around here. We started somewhere right around here. So now we're now focusing on the 3-touch pump again. So now what are we seeing somewhere right around there? This is 1. This is number what? This is number 2. Then what do we get afterwards? We get that break of structure. So let me change my template to what? To 3-touch pump. Let me change this 4 hour downtrend. Let me change it. Let me change the line. Okay, it's much better. So now we have a 3-touch pump at the top there. Now what are we seeing at the top? What are we seeing? We're currently seeing this. This is number 1. This is number 2. So what are we seeing? We're currently seeing a 2-touch pump. In other words, so now this is a 2-touch pump. You guys could see clearly somewhere right around there. And now you wanna put your training areas. Remember again, you wanna name this the 1 hour Passover station, because remember you saw it on the 1 hour Passover. I mean, you saw it on the 1 hour time frame. And you wanna take the text of yours. You wanna take the text and change it again to 1 hour Passover station. You get it? So now this is the 1 hour Passover station. Now what do you get? This is an area 1, 2, then 3. So we get that momentum. So you could have taken a trade somewhere right around there with your stop loss just underneath there. What is the stop loss? This is 13 pips. And your take profit the take profit is not always going to be the Passover station. Remember what I told you is that the Passover station is just coming to that. Price is going to come to that 1 hour Passover station, right, and pass through. It's not going to reverse back. It's going to pass through that area. So in other words, your take profit one could have been this area. You see? So now you could have risked 13 pips for what? For 43 pips. In other words, a 1 is to what? A 1 is to 3.1 risk to reward ratio trade. Again, what did I say about that? After prices break, you want to look for what? For that 2-touch pump. So now what are we seeing? If you touch here and there, what is this? This is what? This is a 2-touch pump. What did I tell you about? So now, if you had your trigger entry somewhere right around there, right? with your stop loss just underneath there, and your take profit 1 being this 4 hour, take profit 2 being the next area here, or maybe being this area, sorry, this area, but remember this area wasn't there, being this area. You see, this trade you could have actually missed it. You could have actually missed it, but it's okay. But remember, you've mastered the concept of seeing what the one touch, and this is the what, this is the next two touch pump. So now what do we do? Since we have a two touch pump, we price came up, right, and came down again, came up. We're patient. So now what do we see? Remember this trade, we missed it. So now we're seeing a possible what? A possible three touch pump somewhere right around there. If you touch one this area, two this area, right? What are we going to see? A break. And remember, this is a downtrend. Remember, on the 4 hour is a downtrend. So most likely you're going to see that downtrend. And if you take your area of that trend line, if you touch something right around there, this area, remember the one that we used previously, in this area, what do you get? You get a what? You get a two touch pump. You get a two touch pump. So in other words, you're going to enter your trade somewhere right around there. Somewhere right around there with your stop loss just underneath this area, and just underneath the blue area. Or maybe if you entered, if this blue area wasn't there, remember, you could have actually taken your stop loss just underneath there, and your take profit being this area first, then your take profit 2 being the next area. You see how easy it is. In other words, you could have actually entered two trades on this area. So in other words, first you could have entered this area, right, with the take profit 1, this being this area, take profit 2 being the next area, right, somewhere right around there. So take profit 1 being here, right, if you take again your trend line and touch here 1, then this area is what? It's number 2, right? So now you get it. At the top there, what are we seeing? We're seeing another what? Another two touch pump. You get it. So now this is what? Two touch pump. 1, 2. And for you to get a confirmation to take another trade on this, you could have just taken your Fibonacci out. Where's my Fibonacci? Right? Somewhere right around there. So if you place it somewhere there and there, right? This area, what do you get? You get what? A golden area zone here. Let me show you. This golden area zone here. Let me change the term to point of interest. See how it is easy it is. So now you're going to what? You're going to take your trade somewhere right around there with your stop loss at there. Then now you're going to move this stop loss to this blue area here, because remember the blue area on the Fibonacci is going to be our stop loss, the 0.89. Then your take profit 1 is now it's not this area, it's now this area somewhere right around there. You see how easy it is. With this one also, you want to move your take profit to this area. So now you have two trades that have actually ran to actually profits. So this trade took 56 pips. This second trade took another 47 pips. See how easy it is. So now again, we want to move. What do you see here? Again, this is what? 1. This is number 2. Then this is what? A break of structure. So now we know that you're going to break somewhere right around there. At the top, what do we see? We see this mini possible two touch pump, 1, then 2, somewhere right around there. So now what's going to happen? Again, this is the area that you're going to take a trade with your stop loss just underneath this the previous 4-hour time frame area. The take profit 1 being this area, being 23 pips. So it's probably 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. Your take profit 2 being this area. 1 is to what? This is what? 1 is to 3.6 risk to reward ratio trade. You see how easy it is. Like I've shown you guys. I think you can all go and practice this. I don't want to make this video very long. Also, you guys can actually see if you take a Fibonacci, the Fibonacci here, place it somewhere right around there, the previous where you entered, where price actually broke the structure, right? With somewhere here, you see how easy it is. This is a golden entry zone here, a golden entry zone here. You see how easy it is again. So now you could have actually entered another trade somewhere right around there with your stop loss at the blue trade, the blue area here. In your previous trade, it what? It break even. You see. So now this trade could have you could have actually walked out with two trades again. This trade was 1.1 close to 1.2 risk reward ratio. In the previous one, sorry, we had moved the stop loss, so we can't see the premium. But let me check. The previous one was 1:3.6, and this one being 1:1.5. 1:1.82, close to 1:2. You see how easy it is. So again, those that are in the VIP student chat room, you guys can ask me questions there. I'm always going to be there for you guys, you know, for those that are bought the course already. And if you want to book a Zoom call with me, you know, as I said, it's absolutely free. I can schedule a date for you and help you out. So those that still wants to join the course, that still wants to join the course and the student chat room, I'll leave the link down in the description for you to subscribe. And also those that took this those that took this free course, go and practice this. Like, you know, the more practice that you put onto this, the more you'll be able to actually do it. So yeah, in the VIP student room, I'll also be sharing also my, like, if I'm to take a trade in that certain area, I'll also share that trade that I'm going to take. So some of you can actually jump in or not. It's all going to be up to you guys. And yeah, those that who want to jump into the trade can simply jump into the trade in the VIP student chat room. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys again another example. Sorry about this Telegram message. I'm going to show you another example. If you guys could see somewhere right around there, what do you see? So this is what, this is 1, this is 2, what, another breakout structure. So you could have taken a trade, excuse me, you could have taken a trade somewhere right around there with your stop loss here. Because remember, we're in the 4-hour time frame area. Take profit 1 being the next 4-hour time frame area. Take profit 2 being the next 4-hour time frame area. And you know, again, it all depends on the market structure that you're seeing in the 4-hour, in the 1 hour. So again, you guys gotta go and practice this. Is like the things that I've shown you guys. I think it's very simple, but you guys a lot of practice. Like, as I said, the more practice that you put onto this, the more you'll be able to do it. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching this video up until this end. And like what else can I say? I appreciate you guys for watching this video. You know, if you've made it up to the end of this video, please leave a like, you know, and a comment to like all the suggestions that you want me to do next or so forth. I will try my best to actually do the videos that you want. And yeah, share this video to some other traders that might find this interesting. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. It's been your boy Jaiden, and I'll see you guys in the next chapter 3. Hope you guys have a blessed hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace.